Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a floral collar for your dog. Before we dive in, I just want to say that if you are new to our channel, we are a wedding venue in South Africa and we will be sharing a lot more tips and tricks and DIYs that is wedding related. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. I wanted to start off by saying that the collar that I've decided to go for is actually one of my dog's old collars. It's quite a thick band collar, which will be very helpful, especially giving me a bit of space to glue some of the artificial flowers onto the collar. Then for this project you will also need a glue gun, some glue sticks, a paper towel. I use the paper towel just to get off any excess glue that might be dripping off while the glue gun is standing. You will also need a good pair of scissors to cut your flowers with, and then some rope to cover the rest of the collar because I will not be applying flowers all around the collar. So how I picked my flowers is I decided on one main flower and then all the other supporting flowers and greenery that would be built around that main flower. So make sure your heat gun is prepped and ready to go. I will be starting off by sticking on the bigger leaves first because they will be at the back. They will kind of give a little bit more volume to the collar. The way you want to stick it is completely up to you. I just started randomly, just placing them. Just be careful, it is quite hot. Next, I'm going to move on to my peony. Next, I decided to go with my beautiful hydrangea that I'm going to add on the side. Now, the next few steps will be, going between flowers and greenery, just like you would when you would arrange a bouquet of flowers. Take the same approach with that.
I know something about a state of mind. I've got the dreamer in me. Roses bloom and the sun will shine. Leave your troubles in the world behind.
After you've added most of your flowers and leaves, but not all of them, just leave your collar to set a little bit for the glue to dry because we're going to be making a circle with the collar again, which will then reveal some gaps in your collar, which you will be using the remaining leaves and flowers to fill it with.
Are the ones who hold the key. Just look inside, unlock the possibility. The dreamer lives in you and me.
I also decided to add the green berries last because they are quite hard and not that flexible, and I wanted a bit of support around them.
You'll never know if you never ask. All you need will be within your grasp.
When you finished adding all your leaves and flowers, the next step will be to add your rope. For the rope, I will just be sticking the end of the rope and not the entire bit of rope because it's not needed. You can just start off with the beginning, just put a little bit of glue there and then just twist the rope all around the collar until the end.
The dreamer lives in you and me.
When you get to the end, just secure your piece of rope with a little glue. Okay guys, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed doing this project. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to see any more future content, please subscribe and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Inside the dream a little